Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a game from your Windows 11 or 10 computer. This is very simple. So I got Xdefiant. This game's going to shut down, and I want to remove it from my computer. Let's go to the Start, and then go to Settings, and then on the left, let's go to Apps. Then let's go to Install Apps, and then we can go to Sort By. So I'm just going to go to Z to A, but you have install size or the size of the application. So if you go by the largest files right here, you're going to notice the games with launchers, their correct file size won't display under here. So like Xdefiant is like 50 maybe gigabytes, but it's only going to show up as 48 kilobytes. So it opens through Ubisoft Connect. So you can see it's definitely not 48 kilobytes in terms of storage size, but I just have to click these three little dots for more options. Go to uninstall right here. And then on install, go to yes. Some sort of message will pop up on your screen. And it might actually open up that launcher I was talking about. So that is how you can uninstall items here. Just go through it, uninstall, and it should uninstall it. Otherwise, find the launcher. So a lot of times you can just uninstall games through Steam if you have that on your computer, and that's a lot easier than doing it because it's going to give you the correct file sizes for those games. So it looks like I'm opening up UB Connect right now, looking for patches, and it's going to force me to uninstall the application through this specific game. So that's why I love Steam right here. I can find everything in one place and just uninstall everything. So it's going to open up the launcher, but it'll show you where it is. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.